Yeah, welcome to this short maintenance video on how to maintain the safety shower and eyewash units. One of the main things that we'll need looking at from time to time is the little cage filters, which will collect any material that might be coming through your water supply. Start by removing the aerator capsule. You just take out the little rubber washer that seats down the capsule. Then we will remove the little cage filter, which also has a little flat rubber washer for seating in the bottom end of it. And then we're going to clean that little cage filter. We'll probably pay to take the little rubber washer off just to get all of the surface area of that cage filter, clean all the contaminants off there, maybe back flush a little bit through there to remove any extra bits of material. Put the flat washer, rubber washer back on so that it can seat back into the capsule there. So we'll push that back in, seating it in firmly with your finger, making sure it's seated all the way around. Put the other rubber washer back in, seat that in, make everything seated in, and now we're going to screw the capsule back in again, just checking for any contaminants that might be in there as well, and anything that might have gathered on top of the screen. Sometimes you get silicate collecting in there and blocking it up, and you might even need to replace the whole capsule if that occurs. Okay, so it only needs to be screwed in hand tight. Those rubber washers will do all the sealing, so just hand tight is more than enough there. And put the cover back on, and then the other side is exactly identical as well. And now what we'll look at, just making sure that everything is tight, all your nuts and washers are tight, everything's in position, your alignment's right, no leaks and around your fittings, and just check there, just the flow control, make sure your eyewash streams are still in good alignment, and then we'll just check the top end for leaks and things, that your nuts and washers are all tight, everything's tight, your stop is up underneath where it needs to be, everything's firm and tight. Maybe just go over your nuts and things, make sure they're all tight. We have a 17mm and a 6mm nut there, alignment's all right, no leaks, and just check your flow rates again, making sure everything's working correctly, and that is it.